Hello friends. So today we will learn how to subtract a fraction number. So this is a part of IGCSE board. So let's go and how we can solve this one. So this is a 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 part. So we can take the LCM. So that will be 6. How much it will be? 2 into 3. How much? This is 6. So we have to multiply here. So it is 3 and we have to subtract this one is minus 2. So it is a 3 minus 1, that is 1 by 6. So this is our answer. We can also calculate the remaining part like this. If we subtract multiply these two numbers, so it is a 15. How much this will become? 15. And 3 4 ja 12 minus 5 2 ja 10. So it is how much? 250, like this. And take this one, this is as a LCM, so this is 6. We can take it as a LCM part. Okay, so 6 will be here. So 3 is divided, so 3 2 ja 6, so 4 will be here, and 6 1 ja 6, so 1 is a multiply here, so that is a 1. So it will become 3 by 6. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So this will be our answer. I hope you will understand, because this is a very easy concept. In this part we can solve like this. Okay, so and this is the fraction is LCM is a 10, and we can multiply this number, so that will be also 10. So we have to multiply here. So this is 6 and 5 1 ja 5, that is 5. So it is the answer will be 1 upon 10. Now let's do this part. This is 9 4 ja 45. How much this will become? 45. So 5 8 ja 40 minus 9 2 ja 18. So it is how much? So it's a 30 22 upon 45. This is our answer. So like this we can solve. Now this one, take as example of this one. So that is 63. 9 into 3, 9 4 ja 36, 7 1 ja 7, minus 7. So how much it will be? 9. 29 upon 63. Okay, so in this way we can subtract all the numbers one by one. Now take the example of this question, that is 4 5 ja 20 is here. Okay, and 4 2 ja 8 and 5 1 ja 5. So it will be like how much? 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20. Take the example of this question, 6 into 8. So how much it will be? 48, and 6 5 ja 30 minus 5 8 2 ja, so 30 minus 16, how much it will be? 14. 14 upon 48. So it will be also simplified. How much? 2 7 ja 2 49 ja, right? Now take the this part, we can also take the LCM, and LCM will be just like 30. So if you divide 30, so you will get how much? 2, and 2 will be multiplied here, so it will be 4 2 ja 8, and 10, if you divide 30 by 10, you will get 3, and 3 will be multiplied by here, so minus will be 3. So that is a 5 upon 30, and it will be simplified as 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30, right? So it is 1 by 6. I hope you will understand this. So take the example of another question, and that is very easy. We take the LCM as a 20, because 5 and 4 you will take the LCM as a 20. So if you divide 20, it will become 1. So 1 is multiply here, 7 1 ja 7. If you 5 divide 20, it is a 4, and 4 is multiply here, so minus 4. Okay, so that is how much? 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20. Now take the example of 12 and 18. So that is 36. 18 2 ja, so 2 will be multiplied here, and 12 3 ja 36, so 3 will be multiplied here. So 6 minus 3, that is 3 upon 36, and it can be divided 3 1 ja 3 upon 12, right, like this. And take the example of this one. So LCM will be 48. If you divide 24 by this, so you will get 2, and 2 is multiply here, and if you divide 16 by 48, so that will be 3 here. Okay, so 18 minus 9, that is 9 upon 48. So like this you will get the answer. Okay, so in this way you can solve, and this will be 25, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 29 and 30. This will be your homework. So try to solve it and write the answer on the comment box so that we can get that you are doing well. So let's do it. Okay, so thank you so much. If you are tired, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much.